Solve the inequality, write the solution set in interval notation, and graph it. Here we have the inequality. 3x minus 4 is greater than negative 10 and less than or equal to 14. So to solve this inequality, we want to isolate x in the middle. Let's start that by adding 4 to each piece of the inequality. Negative 10 plus 4 is a negative 6. Adding 4 to the middle cancels out that negative 4, leaving us with a 3x term. And on the right-hand side, 14 plus 4 is 18. As the next step now, let's divide each piece by 3 to isolate x in the middle. Negative 6 divided by 3 is a negative 2. 3 over 3 cancels, leaving us with 1x, and 18 divided by 3 is 6. So our inequality solution is all numbers x that are greater than negative 2 and less than or equal to 6. In interval notation, then, we would write this as negative 2 with the parenthesis around it showing that it is not included, up to and including 6 with a bracket showing that the 6 is included. As we graph this solution on a number line, just locate 0, come back to negative 2, forward to 6, and here our notation is going to look the same as it does above in the interval notation. We're going to put a parenthesis at negative 2. We'll bold this interval up to and including 6. So our solution set is all those numbers that are greater than negative 2, less than or equal to 6.